Hi viewers, it has been often observed that while preparing a letter or some other document on MS Word, a name, if it comes at the end of one line, breaks into two parts, with one part coming at the end of one line and the other part coming at the start of the next line, as is visible on the screen. See another example. This splitting of name in two lines is an example of poor formatting. A full name looks best when kept on a single line, whether on the upper line or the lower one. In this video, we will learn a method to do that. If there is a name or any text you want to keep on a single line, simply select the space between the text and press Ctrl plus Shift plus space bar. This inserts a non-breaking space between the two parts of the text, ensuring the entire string stays on one line. Whether you add or delete words before this text, it will not break, nor will the spacing preceding it become unbalanced. MS Word will automatically maintain the proper alignment. The process is to be repeated between all the words which are desired to be kept together on one line. To better understand this, let's look at what happens in the background during this process. Press the Show Hide button represented by the paragraph symbol. Doing so will reveal formatting characters between words, lines, and paragraphs, such as spaces, tabs, paragraph breaks, etc. While these characters define the structure of your document, they do not appear on the printed page. Now select the empty space between the targeted words and press Ctrl plus Shift plus space bar. You will see the space symbol change into a degree symbol. Usually the space between the words will stay there, but it will be removed at the back end, effectively locking the words together. Whether you add or delete text elsewhere in the document, your specific text, such as two or three parts of the name or month and day, or a number and its unit, etc., will stay on the same line. You can choose to keep the Show Hide button enabled or disabled. If you were already aware of this MS Word feature, give yourself a pat on the back. If not, please like the video, leave a comment, and subscribe to the channel so you can receive more informative videos. Although this channel focuses on major tourist destinations, other informative videos will also be uploaded here. Thank you.